I am Miraj Ahmad Siddiqui, correspondent of News 360. We are going to coverage a very important interview related to Siwan Vidhan Sabha election 2020. A person is going to provide a statement related to development and public issue of Sadar Vidhan Sabha Siwan. Rinku Singh is a highly intellectual and well-known social worker of Siwan district. First of all, I would like to ask a question to you, Rinku Singh ji. What would you like to speak in connection with the caste, religion and such types of feelings politics in Siwan district?
Look, since last 25 years or 30 years, we are looking the caste-based politics in Bihar especially. So right now we are going to break this code and conduct which had made by the politicians in Siwan. So right now, as you know, if you will go in our area, if you will analyze the things, Rizwan Ansari is the only one face who is affecting this code and conduct of the politician which has made since before 30 years. A lot of the people beyond of Muslim community, if once you visit in my area, I mean to say in their election area, people how supporting them, so you can be just know about that how beyond of the Muslim community people also supporting them. I mean to say the Kushwaha community, the Rajput community, these all community are supporting them. So we are the people who is going to break this rule of the caste politics.
A large number of occurrences are increasing in Siwan district and we can say in Uttar Pradesh and India also. Mob lynching, corruption, crime and such types of criminal activities are increasing. So you are going to speak in connection with the fresh politics related to Siwan district, and already Rashtriya Lok Samta Party, Bahujan Samaj Party and MIM, Asduddin Owaisi Party. These three leaders are the very prominent leader of India. What would you like to expect coming time? What will be result and what will be scenario in the favor of Mr. Rizwanji, who is the candidate of Siwan Sadar Vidhan Sabha?
Just I consider Rizwan Bhai is one of the very popular face in Siwan Sadar Vidhan Sabha because he is not doing the caste-based politics. As usual, our senior politician Owaisi ji, Upendra Kushwaha and these all are very intellectual and very highly literate peoples. Overall India's people know about, they are the good speakers also. Whatever they has present themselves in Lok Sabha, Indian Lok Sabha. So that is why they all are the very known people as intellectual and the highly literate people. So as usual, so that is why this is the reason they had finalized the candidate from Siwan as Rizwan Bhai. Rizwan Bhai having their character, which one is matching with them. So that is why this is the reason this party has selected the candidate of Siwan like Rizwan Ansari.
So last 15 years, the government has governed very much a lot of policies already issued. Did you satisfied of their policies?
Look, this is not issue
regarding you can say education, regarding you can say health, and you can say agriculture. So number of policies already issued by the government. So I'm just now telling on ground level, is it implemented or not?
Sir, question is not that what we are making the policies for the common people, for the Bihar people. Okay? Factor is that what they are implementing and how the people is getting the benefit of that policies. So fact is that obviously a government has implemented the policies, but common people is not getting the benefits. So what do you mean to you launch the new programs and the policies, but people is not getting their benefit? So obviously the government is failed over here to provide the policies and their benefit to the people.
You are assuring that Rizwan is going to do something on the ground level. So how much you are very much confident on him?
Look, so that is why I consider, sir, you have to come together with us, go to the people, take their bite, analyze the things, whatever we are considering to you. This is right or the wrong. Of course, if the people will react, if the all community people is supporting them, that means they have the different type of the character in the field of the politics. So in this election, the all people is introducing a new face from the Siwan which one is very intellectual, and they are not doing the politics on the base of casteism. So obviously we are going to break the rule, and which one has made by the, I already consider, from since last 25 years, a lot of the politician has made their career from the Siwan, but right now we are going to introduce a new phase in Siwan Sadar Vidhan Sabha as Rizwan Ansari, which one is break the rule and regulation, which one made by the old politician. So we are going to introduce a new trend of the politics. We are not, obviously we will not focus on the caste-based politics. We will focus on employment, health and education. This is our motive. Obviously we are trying to give the best to the people, deliver the best things to the people. So if the people will support us, especially I would like to say, appeal to the people, please support us, please support Rizwan Ansari, because he is a young, energetic, educated and very honored.
Right.
Very hard worker. If in a midnight you are making a call to him, he will just within 10 to 20 minutes, he will reach over there on the spot where you want to reach them.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.